Hi, my name is Aaron Patton. I'm a Principal Solutions Architect at Nebulon, and I'm here today to show you a demo of using the Nebulon PowerShell module to create a vSphere environment. So we're going to start here with 3 hosts that have just been plugged in. They're completely blank, no operating system at all. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply an application template to these servers. And that application template, which we show here, is going to install a copy of ESXi on these servers using a boot image. And that's just a pre-prepared image that we can blow down to the boot volumes on these servers so that they can be installed quickly. So if we take a look at PowerCLI over here, we've got the output of git command-module neb power automation showing a lot of the commandlets in the PowerShell module. The big one that we're going to be using a lot here is new neb npod. So if we take a look at the files here, we've got a CSV that's got some of the inputs in here, the bootstrap file, as well as some other utility files. As kind of a neat thing here, if you put this into your PowerShell profile, you'll just get the last directory prompt, which is what you're seeing here, instead of the big long directory string, which is handy. So this is the command we're actually going to run to kick the script off. So let's copy that, clear the screen, and then run the command. Now, when this guy runs, the first thing it's going to do is import all the information, validate that all of the information that we're pushing for the npod is correct, and then it's going to go ahead and use that commandlet to build a new npod. And when this happens, this is basically stitching together those 3 servers into an npod, which is a cluster powered by the service processing units. And that will allow us to build the ESXi image and everything else that we need on those servers. So if we take a look over here, we can see that the npod is now built, and we've got a couple of LUNs associated with it. You'll notice that the first 3 LUNs are not accessible by the host yet. Those are the boot volumes, and so those have to be pulled down and decompressed into LUN 0. Once that's done, then the hosts have something that they can boot from, and once they have those volumes in place, we will then reboot the nodes so that they can boot into those new boot volumes. So it's kind of like plugging in a new boot device, rebooting the server so that it can pick it up. So we can see that they all have access to them now, and the servers are now being rebooted. And I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. You guys have seen servers boot before. So while they're coming up, they're going to, or after they come up, I should say, they're going to get some basic configuration done by the script, right? So we're going to go in and set some host names. We're going to apply some networking configuration, build the data stores ahead of time, which you're seeing right here. And then we're going to go ahead and add these hosts into vSphere, right? And finish the configuration there. So now that we've got the hosts in vSphere, we take a look, we've got the volumes that we built beforehand. And if we take a look at one of those volumes, we can see that it's associated with all of the hosts and that we have a Nebulon device backing those data stores. So if we head back over now to Nebulon On, we're going to add the vCenter configuration to Nebulon On. And what this allows us to do is to pull some logs and configuration data from vCenter, which we use for telemetry as well as helping troubleshoot issues that come up with the infrastructure. So we can tie some events and logs together, which allow the support organization to more easily troubleshoot issues in the environment. And if we go back over to the overview page now in Nebulon On, and we go to the application view, then that will show us that we are pulling statistics from vSphere now. So that's the demo. Thank you very much for your time. I hope it was informative. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email at info@nebulon.com or visit the website. Thank you very much.